Hi everyone, welcome to the world of booboobeauty. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY lavender shea body butter at home. First, add 1 cup of shea butter to a mixing bowl. The next thing you're going to do is add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil to the bowl. After that, heat them in the microwave in 30-second increments and stir them in between until they all melt. Add 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil to the mixture, but make sure the mix is not too hot. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon essential oil to the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Add 10 drops of each organic blue tansy and blue yarrow essential oils, so the total should be 20 drops. Stir it well with a spatula. Use an electric mixer to mix all ingredients well. Put the bowl in the refrigerator to solidify for an hour. When you take it out, the texture should be solid. It should be, your finger shouldn't be able to go through it. It should be able to touch the surface. Use the electric mixer to fluff it up. Do not forget to scrape off the side of the bowl to get all the butter in between. Once the butter is all blended, store it in a clean jar to use the body butter. Let's try out our body butter. Put a small amount onto your skin and rub it gently. It smells very good and relaxing at the same time.